Hey guys, Crystal from Crappy Sides Wreaths and more, and Tara, my camera woman today.
Hello.
We're back. I went ahead and put some more pieces on here so you wouldn't have to watch on every little petal. Now on the outside I used the red, white, and the blue. And then I've used blue and then red on the next layer. And I've got one more to go on this layer. And I'm going to once again show y'all how to do the petal. Okay, we've got the 10-inch squares. And you want the curve up. It has a natural curve in it. You want the curve up. And then you go corner to corner. Get your corners to meet. And to get your sides as best as you can. What I do is, so go down to there and I hold it with this hand. And then work over here. That way you have this hand free. Get that side. And crease this. And then you want to go in the center of this line. Take thumb and finger and just scrunch all the way up to the corner. Like this. And you flip it over, swing it around. There's your petals. And you straighten them up as best you can, but you want them to be about the same length so you can tell. Then I keep my finger in there so that I can see the center. It'll stay right where it is. And then I'm going to put it in the pipe cleaner. Inside here. Then you want about a finger. Got a finger. And I reach on the other side. And I pull the pipe cleaner as tight as you can get, and making sure you're holding the other side. It doesn't move or anything on you. Pull this tight. So tighten the bead, and then wrap it a couple times, 2 or 3 times, or it won't come done. Let's put it over. Now, and then what I do is you want your petals, the round part, to be folding out. So as I do them, I'll spread them out. Spread them out. You want to cover the pipe cleaners that's on the other ones. You just kind of spread them out so they look more even. Like this. And you want to spread it out. Okay, now we've got the outside. This is second layer, third layer, and this is center layer. Now you can do the center layer, or you can take a piece that's big enough to cover that, as however you want to do it. But I'm going to do the center layer. But you can put like on this other one, at the Dollar Tree. They had this bunch of flowers. There's 3 flowers, and I cut them off. And they had the 2 little stars, and that was all for $1 at the Dollar Tree in the flowers. And then I just glued them in there, and I stuck these down in there because they are on stems. And I just glued them in. And then I got one on that side and one on that side. You see it glitters, just like the mesh does. And they just made a perfect center. And I got them at the Dollar Tree too. One on each side. Okay. Now this one, I want to do the red, white, and blue again, I think, in the center. So, curve up, corner to corner. And then you just scrunch it with your finger and your thumb. Okay. Okay. Now, I just do the rest in that way. And where I have actually put these so tight for a centerpiece, I would only need like one little flower. Or one little, anything I wanted to put. I could even use that little, this right here. You get them at the Dollar Tree for $1. Put this in the center. And cover that up. I see, look how cute that is. But you can use lots of things for centers, whatever you want to do. You can put just like a flower, or you can put bells, or just whatever. But I'm going to leave it that for now, because I'm going to show y'all how to do the other side now. My pipe cleaners are sticking up. And they're open, but they're in the exact spots of where I need my petals to be. So first off, I'm going to take my lights, and I'm going to weave my lights in the center, and I'm going to twist it just one time.
Stuff falling over here on me.
And I'm going to twist that so it'll just stay in place.
You know, this would be neat if you use different colors and stuff for like birthday parties and...
Birthday parties. Yes, you could use the flowers. You could do the theme, pink, purple. For little boys, you could do Mickey Mouse colors.
Oh, Mickey Mouse
black,
would be cute.
white, and red, and like a Mickey Mouse face in the center. Just make for your own personal birthday parties, and then you just set it off. And you put the lights in there. And you can get little lights for like Amazon. Any kind of little lights, just plain little lights. Not something that stick up you'd have to see. It could be just any old kind of lights. But I thought that this was really cute. I saw it at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh, that'll make it just shine. And
that is a neat idea.
I just like sparkles.
Now, where do you get all this mesh at?
Okay, now at the mesh, you can get, there's places online that you can get it, that you can order it, but you have to have like so much. So, like if some of y'all wanted to make 5 or 6 of these, y'all go in together and you can order your mesh, and you won't have to pay no shipping, and it would be worth it that way. But if you're only going to make one, I would just advise going to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, because you can use the 40 or 50% off coupons that they have out there all the time, and that would really just save you.
That would be, yeah, that's a good idea.
But now if there was several of you wanted to go in together, then you could order from like Craft Outlet, Trendy Tree, Deco Exchange. There's all kinds of places. They've even got one here in Kentucky. It's a Tackett Supplies, Tackett Exchange. I'll try to put it in the comments later, but it's in the eastern part of Kentucky. But you know, it'd be a little trip. But you still can order it. But all of them will charge you shipping unless you order so much. But if you just want to do something like this simple for a little birthday and you didn't want to put that much money in it, I would advise Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and use 40-50% off coupons. And that would be awesome. Okay, see, now I have my lights in, and I'm hoping, if I watch them do them, when I put the pedals in, my stars will stick up on this one side. But now, like I said, you can put lights on both sides if that's how you wanted it. I just wanted to show you how to get started on this. Same pedal as before, corner to corner. Now, there are different pedals, different ways. This is just one, and I'm hoping to be able to show y'all different pedals and different designs. Like for the mermaid tail, which I have an idea for, it's a different pedal. It's not this one. It's actually a circle. It's a loop. But now, see. This is this pedal that you use for some of the flowers. Like I said, they're all different. Now on this, all I have to do is, what I'm going to do is on the little stars, I'm going to put that around that. Now this is just me. You don't have to do that, but I just think that would be easier. And then when I put this up here, the little star will hold it in place. That will just help it. You can see that?
Mm-hmm.
And then just twist tie it. Tie it in. And see that one zip tie, both sides, and they're all in the same place. And then I just bend it down where it won't stick anybody. You don't want to stab anybody.
Yeah,
I got a little sharp ends.
That wouldn't be fun.
But then your star will be sticking up. And then when you put your next pedal in, see, it'll come to the sides of it. And you can leave that sticking up. And then when it's on, you'll be able to see it. But I want to show y'all how to get this to going. Now, also, this handle. You can leave it on to hang something on. Or my husband has bolt cutters, and he just cut them off. I mean, if you want these to swing, you can use different things. But what I've seen, I think that works the best is fishing line. Mm-hmm. And you use the fishing swivels, like on the fishing poles. And it'll turn, and it will not knot. If you're going to hang it up outside in the wind, for like parties and stuff. Yeah. And it's something that most husbands have, or if you don't, you have a brother or kids or something, or they're not very expensive. And then it won't knot up on you. And it'll just keep spinning, especially on a windy day. It'd be cool. And after dark, when it lights up, if you had a party.
Oh, yeah, definitely with those lights. That would be so pretty.
Yeah, and especially for the birthday parties. I know I have a cousin that every year she does a birthday. I think it's a birthday party. She does a birthday party, and she has it, you know who you are if you're watching, but I don't mention no names. But she has a birthday party, and she has all kinds of swim things for the kids to do. And they also do like a drive-in theater movie. And so they're up till about 12 o'clock or out at midnight. And it's really, really fun for all the kids. But this would be perfect decorations for that.
It would.
And to make it decorate and be real pretty on the outside. But I know you already have so much with that, and it's awesome. It's a good thing for your kids and the whole family. Okay, and see how that's going?
That is so cute.
And this, whenever you put the pedals up, it'll cover this up too. And you just go right around just like I did on the other side, in the blue and the red. So we'll come back in a few minutes when we're finished. Hey y'all, Crystal and Tara.
Hello,
back
hello.
again. Dr. Sides read some more. All right, this is our final product. After we've done all the steps we showed you. Now, see the little stars? They're all lit up. Now, I only put it on one side, but I think it would be look a lot prettier with them on both sides. Now, I just set the flowers in the center. You can use any kind of center you want. I just set them in there. And then here's the other side. You just put flowers in. See, this side doesn't have the lights. You can see a little bit, but not as bright, so you would want to get the lights. And see? Both sides. And these will swing. And you just cut the handle off if you want it off. And then put your fishing line, your swivel on there. And there you got it. Isn't that sharp?
That is pretty.
I really like it. All the metal glitter in the mesh stands out with the lights on it. It just makes it glitter and glam. And you can do them both the same side, the way you like it, or you can change the sides. Like this one is different from the other side. They're not exactly the same. So, good luck, guys, and I hope y'all have fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.